In this video, I am going to discuss the most important multiple choice questions about ट्रिडोफाइट्स which comes in different competitive exams of biology। लिहाजा अपने इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखना है ताकि ये क्वेश्चंस आपको अच्छी तरह तैयार हो जाएं। तो चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। Question number 1. Reptiles of the plant kingdom are bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. So correct answer is option B. Pteridophytes are known as reptiles of the plant kingdom, but they are not fully terrestrial as they need water for their fertilization. Question number 2. The seed habit was first of all originated in algae, fungi, bryophytes, pteridophytes. So correct answer is option D. Seed habit was first of all originated in pteridophyte plants. Question number 3. The gametophyte generation of pteridophytes is diploid, haploid, triploid, tetraploid. So correct answer is option B. The gametophyte generation of pteridophytes is haploid in nature and it is also known as prothallus. Question number 4. The main plant body in pteridophytes is known as gametophyte, sporophyte, sporangium, prothallus. So correct answer is option B. Sporophyte is the main plant body in case of pteridophytes and it is diploid in nature. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले ये मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Pteridophytes are characterized by presence of vascular system, absence of flower, absence of fruits, all of above. So correct answer is option D. Pteridophytes are characterized by presence of vascular system and there is absence of flower and fruits. So correct answer is option D. Question number 6. The term Pteridophyta was first of all proposed by Braun, Haeckel, Schwann, Lamarck. So correct answer is option B. The term Pteridophyta was first of all introduced by Ernest Haeckel. Question number 7. Vessels are absent in the xylem of bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. So correct answer is option B. Vessels are absent in the xylem tissue of pteridophytes. Question number 8. The pteridophytes as a group are differ from the bryophytes in archegonia, presence of vascular tissue, presence of motile sperm, presence of alternation of generation. So correct answer is option B. Pteridophytes are different from the bryophytes because of the presence of vascular tissue in pteridophytes which are absent in bryophytes. Question number 9. Prothallus represents gametophyte stage in a fern, sporophytic stage in a fern, gametophyte stage in a gymnosperm, gametophyte stage in angiosperm. So correct answer is option A. Prothallus represents the gametophyte stage in fern and it is haploid. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें और इसके साथ ही अगर आपने ब्रायोफाइट्स की वीडियो नहीं देखी तो अभी उस वीडियो को भी देख लें और उसका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. which is example of megaphalous pteridophytes, ferns, Selaginella, Marsilia, tridum. So correct answer is option A. Fern is an example of megaphalous pteridophytes. Megaphalous means those pteridophytes in which stem is smaller and leaves are larger. Question number 11. Photosynthetic sporophylls are present in bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. So correct answer is option B. Pteridophytes have photosynthetic sporophylls, and this is the unique characteristic of pteridophytes. Question number 12. In pteridophytes, reduction division occurs when spores are formed, gametes are formed, prothallus is formed, sex organs are formed. So correct answer is option A. In pteridophytes, reduction division occurs when spores are formed from the sporophyte. Question number 13. All of the following plants are heterosporous except Pinus, Marsilia, Selaginella, Dryopteris. So correct answer is option D. Except Dryopteris, all other plants are heterosporous, means they have two different kinds of spores. Question number 14. Phloem is without any structure in pteridophytes. Bast fibers is absent in phloem. Companion cells are absent in phloem. Phloem is without phloem parenchyma. Sieve cells are absent. So correct answer is option B. In case of pteridophytes, companion cells are absent in phloem. Question number 15. Non-vascular gametophyte is present only in bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, all of these. So correct answer is option D. In case of all plants, the gametophyte is always non-vascular in nature. Question number 16. Life cycle of pteridophytes is of which type? Diploid type, diplohaplontic type, haplodiploid type, haploid type. So correct answer is option B. The life cycle of pteridophytes is of diplohaplontic type because in pteridophytes the main generation is diploid sporophyte, that is alternate with haploid gametophyte. That's why the life cycle of pteridophytes is diplohaplontic. Question number 17. Most ancient vascular plants belongs to which class? Lycopsida, Coelopsida, Sphainopsida, Pteropsida. So correct answer is option B. In Coelopsida, the most ancient vascular plants are present. Question number 18. What is an example of class Lycopsida? Rhinia, Clubmoss, Ciliatum, Herniophyton. So correct answer is option B. Clubmoss is an example of class Lycopsida, while the remaining all plants belongs to class Coelopsida. Question number 19. Spore-bearing leaf of pteridophytes is called sorus, indocium, ramentum, sporophyll. So correct answer is option D. Spore-bearing leaf or sporangia-bearing leaf of pteridophytes are known as sporophylls. Question number 20. Which member of pteridophytes is also called as horse tails? Clubmoss, Ciliatum, Equisetum, Selaginella. So correct answer is option C. Equisetum is a member of pteridophytes that is known as horse tails. Question number 21. Female gametophyte in heterosporous ferns plant is Archigonia, Megasporangium, Prothallus, Antheridia. So correct answer is option C. The female gametophyte in Heterosporous fern plant is Prothallus. Question number 22. Equisetum belongs to which class of pteridophytes? Lycopsida, Coelopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida. So correct answer is option C. Equisetum, which is also known as horsetails, and it belongs to class Sphenopsida. Question 23. Which is characteristic of ferns? Presence of reticulate venation, presence of circinate venation, presence of parallel venation, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Presence of circinate venation is an important characteristic of ferns. Question number 24. Common characteristic between bryophytes and pteridophytes is presence of vascular system, need of water for fertilization, terrestrial habit, independent sporophyte. So correct answer is option B. Both bryophytes and pteridophytes need water for their fertilization, so it is a common character present in both phylums. Question 25. What is the class of Adiantum? Hepaticopsida, Coelopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida. So correct answer is option D. Pteropsida is the class of Adiantum and other ferns. Question number 26. Which one does not belong to pteridophytes? Ginkgo, Coleotrichum, Equisetum, Selaginella. So correct answer is option A. Ginkgo does not belong to pteridophytes, rather it belongs to gymnosperms. Question 27. Prothallus of fern is developed from spores, spore mother cells, zygote, gametes. So correct answer is option A. Prothallus of fern is developed from haploid spores. Question 28. Spore-bearing leaves in ferns are called fronds, indusium, ramentum, tropophyll. So correct answer is option A. Spore-bearing leaves in case of ferns are known as fronds or sporophylls. Question 29. Young leaves and rhizome of ferns are protected by indusium, ramenta, sorus, protective cap. So correct answer is option B. Young leaves and rhizome of ferns are protected by multicellular hairs known as ramenta. Question 30. What is the class of Selaginella? Lycopsida, Coelopsida, Sphenopsida, Pteropsida. So correct answer is option A. Lycopsida is the class of Selaginella and lycopes are club moss. तो ये थे 30 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अबाउट ट्रेडोफाइट्स। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और इसके साथ ही मौजूद बेल आइकॉन को भी लाजमी तौर पर प्रेस कर दें ताकि इस तरह की लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको आगे भी मिलता रहे।